my name is Dylan Wingler, and I'm going to be doing a comparison between the North Carolina Wildlife Resource Commission and the United States Fish and Wildlife Service websites. The criteria in which I have selected to evaluate these websites are based in two categories: information and navigation of the site. The ideal website has information that is easy to comprehend and is useful. This information should be easy to find. Navigation will be evaluated by how easy it is to locate jobs and careers. Is it easy to find current openings or careers and the description of both of these? Also, is it easy to find the application process for current openings? The information evaluation of these websites will be based on the following: general contact information and specific contact information, information regarding current job openings, and information regarding potential careers with these agencies. The North Carolina Wildlife Resource Commission website is fairly easy to navigate. As you can see below, they provide many useful tabs, including careers and contact. They provide a link to job descriptions and careers, but they provide a general link to another website for current openings. The problem with the navigation of this website is the high number of sublinks. Picture below is an example of this. As you can see, for career opportunities to find current job openings, you have to go through the website of the Office of State and Human Affairs. If you were to click on that link below, it would take you to the home page of that website instead of directing you to current job openings within the North Carolina Wildlife Resource Commission. Therefore, you would have to filter to find these job openings. This website has a tab dedicated to contact information. Once you click on this tab, as seen below, it provides you with full contact information within the whole agency. There is no information regarding current job openings or descriptions on the website. However, they do provide career descriptions for the jobs within this agency, though these descriptions are hard to find under the Career Opportunities tab. As I have stated before, they provide no link to current job openings on their website. Instead, they provide a general link to this website pictured below. This is a non-specific link, meaning that it just leads you to the homepage of this website. This offers no information on current job openings. We will now examine how easy it is to navigate the United States Fish and Wildlife Service website. This website provides a lot of useful tabs, including a tab on jobs. Once you click on the Jobs tab, it will take you to a page that has specific links to current job openings and career and pathway programs within the agency. There is little contact information provided for this agency, and it is hard to find. And for specific contact information regarding jobs within the agency, you have to follow the specific link to find these contacts. Following the specific links, there is information regarding career programs within the agency. However, there is no information on specific careers or jobs within the agency. In comparison, each of these websites provide useful tabs. The North Carolina Wildlife Resource Commission provides a specific tab for contact information. The United States Fish and Wildlife Service does not provide a tab even for general contact information. The United States Fish and Wildlife Service provides specific links for current job openings, while the North Carolina Wildlife Resource Commission just provides general links. Both of these websites use subheadings or tabs. Overall, though, I believe the North Carolina Wildlife Resource Commission website is easier to navigate. In comparison of the information provided by both of these websites, the United States Fish and Wildlife Service provides better overall information. Information regarding available and current job openings is provided by neither of these websites. However, both of these websites do provide links to information about current job openings. The United States Fish and Wildlife Service provides a more specific link to current job openings, while the North Carolina Wildlife Resource Commission provides a link to a general website on which you would have to search for more specific information.